Hello everyone and welcome to the Distinct Mastering YouTube. My name is Freddie. Today we're going to be doing something different. I got a request on one of the comments on this video to recreate Brandy's full moon bassline pack. Bobby Washington Vlog says, can you program a reverse bass sound like Darkchild did on Brandy's song Full Moon? Challenge accepted. I'm going to be giving away the bassline patch in my members only area along with a video on how I actually programmed this bass. But we're going to get into the Brandy remake and I'm going to touch on the bass itself. But if you want to see hands-on, make sure to check out the Patreon membership and the YouTube membership. Either way, check out the membership section. I truly appreciate your support. It really will help me continue to make these videos for you guys. Now let's get into my session and recreate the Brandy Full Moon bassline by Darkchild and a bit of the session and the production itself. Okay, because of YouTube's copyright laws, I won't be able to play you the Full Moon track up here, but we're looking at a BPM of about 106.27 is what I found. And what I actually did, I used Serato sample to pull out the drums, so I didn't recreate the drums. I figured you asked for the bass line. So I replayed the piano and added a little Glock and some keys just to give it the vibe. I also used Serato sample to pull out the vocal, so then I could go back and forth. And I created an instrumental by taking away the vocal. If you're curious to know how I did all of this with Serato sample, I have an older video that'll leave you a link down below, so you can check that out. Not going to get into the specifics. But hopefully we don't get caught up on YouTube, so I'm not going to play a whole lot of this. So here we have the instrumental. Okay, now here's my little recreation. So that's just the drums and the bass line. And then here's the piano. Played it a little bit different, but I actually played that on the keys. It all started with this. So here's the MIDI for that. And then what I did, see, here's the vocal. I'm not sure if I'm going to get flagged by playing this vocal, so I'm going to stay away from that. But I have these keys. It's not exactly the same, but the whole point was to program and talk about the bass line. So, Bobby, I know when you spoke about recreating that bass line, you mentioned that you thought it was a reverse bass, and it actually wasn't a reverse bass. It was a combination of some synth settings and how it was performed. So I played that on a MIDI controller. I recreated it with Serum 2. I'm going to have a full walkthrough video on how I recreated this sound in my membership section, and I will be giving away the patch in the Patreon creator tier for you if you'd like as well. But the performance itself, it looks something like this. And there's a lot of glide in between these notes, and it's just the stop and start of using the glide and how you're performing it to get that sound. So this is my recreation, pretty simple, and just kind of first was trying to work out the keys on the piano, and it's just in F minor, starts with the F minor and then goes to B flat minor. And so yeah, that's the recreation. And yeah, this is going to be a short video today. I'm sorry I haven't had as much time to make videos. I've been getting a bit more into sync licensing and I've had to get a lot of tracks ready for that. Do apologize. I will get back on the Ableton videos. I will get back on creating more videos. I'm still doing them weekly, but had to keep a couple of these recent ones a bit short. Getting ready to go to Miami Music Week, so excited for that. Got a lot of new tracks to play. And in the meantime, if you find this content useful, please do consider hitting the like button, subscribing to the channel. The bell notification will keep you up to date. And if you would please check out the membership section, it really will help continue to make these videos that I do for you guys every single week. We are in the 5th year, so thank you for all your support. My name is Freddie from Distinct Mastering, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.